You walk into a dealership in 2026, and every single vehicle looks like it rolled straight out of a Marvel movie. These are not just cars anymore, folks. These are high-tech machines that combine cutting-edge electric motors with powerful gas engines to deliver performance that will blow your mind. I am about to show you 5 absolutely insane hybrid cars hitting American roads in 2026 that are going to change everything. We are talking about vehicles with supercar-level horsepower that still get better gas mileage than a compact car. Stick around, because number 3 is going to make you question everything you thought you knew about hybrid technology. Let me start with something that screams American luxury. The 2026 Cadillac Escalade Hybrid. This beast is what happens when Detroit decides to build the ultimate family hauler. We are talking about a full-size SUV that seats 8 people in absolute luxury while pumping out 680 horsepower from its hybrid drivetrain. This thing can tow your boat to the lake, haul your kids to soccer practice, and still get over 30 miles per gallon in the city. The interior is pure luxury, with massaging leather seats, a premium Bose sound system, and rear entertainment screens that make flying first class look cheap. This is how American families are going to roll in 2026. Next up is the Mercedes-AMG S63 Hybrid, and this sedan is absolutely ridiculous. Mercedes took their flagship luxury car and gave it a hybrid system that produces over 750 horsepower. 0 to 60 happens in just 3.1 seconds. But here is the crazy part. You can drive this rocket ship in complete silence for up to 80 miles on pure electric power. The S-Class has always been the benchmark for luxury sedans, but the 2026 hybrid version takes it to another level. The interior features handcrafted leather premium wood trim and technology that feels like something from the year 2050. This is the car that tech billionaires and Hollywood stars are going to be driving. Now here comes the one that is going to blow your mind. The 2026 Ford F-150 Lightning Hybrid. Ford took America's best-selling truck and created something that no one saw coming. This pickup truck produces 650 horsepower and can tow 14,000 pounds, but here is where it gets insane. It can power your entire house for up to 10 days during a blackout. Imagine having a truck that can haul your trailer to the construction site during the week, then power your home during a storm on the weekend. The Lightning Hybrid represents everything that makes American trucks special, but with technology that makes it ready for the future. This is not just transportation. This is your mobile power station. Fourth on my list is the BMW X7 M Hybrid, and this SUV is what happens when German engineering meets American size requirements. This 7-seater family hauler produces 630 horsepower, but can still achieve 35 miles per gallon in hybrid mode. The X7 can go from soccer mom grocery getter to track day monster with the push of a button. The interior feels like a luxury hotel suite with individual climate controls for each seat, premium sound system, and rear seat entertainment that keeps everyone happy on long road trips. BMW designed this SUV for American families who refuse to compromise between performance and practicality. Finally, we have the Lexus LX Hybrid, and this is pure luxury truck perfection. Toyota took their most capable off-road vehicle and gave it a hybrid powertrain that actually improves its trail capabilities. The electric motors provide instant torque for rock crawling, while the gas engine delivers the range for cross-country adventures. This is the vehicle for people who want to drive to the most remote locations in complete comfort. The LX Hybrid can handle anything from beach sand to mountain trails while providing luxury car comfort and surprisingly good fuel economy. Whether you are heading to the ski slopes or the desert, this truck will get you there in style. These 5 vehicles represent a complete revolution in American automotive culture. In 2026, you will not have to choose between power and efficiency, between capability and environmental responsibility. These hybrids deliver the performance that Americans demand while using less fuel than vehicles half their size. The automotive future is arriving faster than anyone expected, and American drivers are going to have some incredible options. These are not compromise vehicles. These are the cars and trucks that will define the next decade of American driving. Which one of these hybrid powerhouses caught your attention? Drop a comment and let me know which 2026 hybrid you would park in your driveway. Hit that subscribe button because the automotive revolution is just getting started and you do not want to miss what is coming next.